Did you feel the bite of nepotism?
Feel nepotism or no nepotism, I'm here. किसी के बाप की इंडस्ट्री नहीं है, नहीं तो हर बाप का बेटा, हर बाप की बेटी सक्सेसफुल होते हैं.
So 2007 and 8 is also the time, Vidya, when you started rising. 2009-ish, if I'm not wrong. And similarly for you, Pratik, Gujarati films started to happen. You were doing theatre. But for context, and because the conversation today is so much about this big word, did you back in the day ever feel the bite of nepotism the way people talk about it today? I mean, just for context, when you began your career, Vidya, I think Kareena had made her debut a few years before you, before Parinita happened. When you were dancing on Hrithik Roshan's songs, Ranbir and Sonam Kapoor were on screen. These are all star kids. And a few years later, there was Alia Bhatt. Back in the day when there was no such major conversation about nepotism and film privilege, even without that, did the two of you ever feel it, that there is some disparity maybe?
I felt that disparity. I mean, because I was in Surat, so I always felt that anybody who's living in Mumbai, they all have better advantage than I have, because they are closer to that industry. So I guess then nobody is to be blamed, yeah, and that's how it works, because all the business families, who else takes the seat? Anybody from the family will get up first chance, right? Mostly. A lot of my friends' parents were doctors, and their kids will have better chance of getting into medical field because of their upbringing, because they were constantly surrounded by those kind of people, that kind of knowledge, that kind of exposure. So I never thought that way. In fact, I always felt that if somebody coming from the same family has an easy access, then they are poor, yeah, because they don't have the whole grill. They couldn't experience the whole thing. तो मुझे तो उनके लिए बहुत बुरा लगता था कि they couldn't face rejections, which could actually help them become better actors. Yeah.
Vidya, what about you?
Honestly, I've never known how to respond to this question, because I feel nepotism or no nepotism, I'm here. किसी के बाप की इंडस्ट्री नहीं है, नहीं तो हर बाप का बेटा, हर बाप की बेटी सक्सेसफुल होते हैं. So I just feel that, I've been a lone ranger, and I've been happy doing my own thing. There were times when I felt like, okay, there were instances when I felt like, okay, maybe if I had the protection of certain people, maybe people would have been kinder in those, for example, in that phase when we were talking about a witch hunt and all that. But in terms of opportunities, I don't think anyone's been able to deny me my share. So I feel it really doesn't matter.